4.
Remember, we're tanking him on skull, so.
2, 1.
I yoinked it, I'll take it.
2, 1.
Yeah, you got him, you got him. Dodge. Good. Get those up.
Get out.
Good. Alright, Beef, get ready.
Invoke destiny.
Got him. Kill the ad.
Alright, drop the CD.
Okay.
I'll get the Navy
You got
stun
the
for
next
their
one?
stun.
I'll take the next one.
Kill these ads. We're gonna keep him here till these ads are done, and then I'm gonna be going to the other side of Skull.
Get those circles out as quick as
3,
possible. Thank you.
2, 1.
Alright, Beef, get ready to taunt. Oh my god, I'm not gonna get through this.
You just don't worry, don't worry. It's just one stack.
Beef,
You still need to taunt this,
Yeah,
Beef.
I was on the other side, we got split.
Popping.
Taunt
Get
has
the
a
ad down.
range.
Beef, tank the boss on top of the ad, please.
3,
Working on it.
2, 1.
Asked him so I can.
Get these ads down quickly.
You've been stun or interrupt.
3,
Barraro?
1.
Nope.
Okay. Butcher.
Got my tree.
They close 2D colors. Stun and slow. We're gonna
Alright,
big
get
ads.
this ad done. Get this ad done quickly. I'm gonna be tanking the ads near the
We're
center.
going to get
but
small
I'm gonna grab
ads.
'em. Whoa! Don't. Oh shit. Okay.
Okay, let's go. Runes on the middle, one person. Okay, let's go. Give me. Get here. Come here. Get here on me. Get here on me. Get here on me. On me. Get here on me.
Good, Brogy, you got that?
Let's go. Stay on me.
Hey, whoever's on that ring, get
I'm
off.
literally about to die. I get touched by that.
Dropping a cooldown.
Mark, you're up.
Only one ring left. We're fine.
Beef, take the boss.
Do you want to get him back close to skull for the next
3,
faded
2,
conjunctions?
1.
Who has a cooldown up for the next one?
I don't.
Okay. It's gonna be a team effort.
Right in that.
Get those out, please.
Yeah.
Got him.
Devoing.
Three, two, one.
Close the skull. Skull is safe.
Alright, Beef, take him.
I got this one.
Okay.
Trank is up.
Let the Barraro get it.
Three, two,
Bahoro.
one.
Anyone
Get those
with
out.
the, get near, stop near the skull.
Beef, bring him over here towards the edge.
We got enemy stun or silence.
Got him.
3, 2,
Okay, Trank.
Wait for the conjunctions to switch to the ads. Stay near skull, stay near skull, you're safe. Now go. Got an AoE stun for the first ads when they stack up. Good timing.
Alright, Beef, I'll get the one on the left here of Skull. You get the one on the right.
Be ready for the rings. Gayher, Broggy. I need only one person each. We are doing fine. Let's go.
Can you get them a little bit closer together?
Yep. Just stand on this edge here, Beef. Don't get hit by that
Let's
ball.
go.
That was a good one.
Good job.
Got 2 of my cooldowns back.
3,
Okay.
2,
Beef, take Cam. I got the boss or the ads.
Remember we have it rings as well.
Move to the left, move to the left.
And
I have
hard to
Ashen
say
Hollow.
that sometimes.
When we go back to Skull, I'm gonna pop Ashen Hollow. Use your cooldown here, Smuffy.
Alter
Alright.
thing. Third from the middle moving. We need
Do
2
you want
persons.
to lust
At
now?
least 2 people. We are lusting already. We already
You already
lusted.
lusted.
Okay.
You got
Shades up.
Yep.
Need someone with me on the farthest ring.
Okay, I'm gonna pop Ashen
Coming.
Hollow.
Yeah.
right
Nobody's
okay.
going. Did you got it?
Let's
Still
go.
one.
Let's go. Yeah.
Yeah, we'll get the last ring, don't worry. Just keep going.
1.
Beef, get ready to tank here.
We got an AoE grip. What is that? Thank you. Giving
Alright,
you
moving.
darkness over here.
Ashen Hollow's down too.
Dropping down Symbol of Hope.
2 rings moving. Third
Alright,
from the
tank
middle.
adds
Fifth
out.
from the middle.
Tank ads out, Beef.
Come.
How's your mana, Fluffy? Or Smuffy? Jesus.
I was almost out.
Okay.
A little bit more on the shard.
We're fine.
Good.
Hey, if you're on that ring, you need to move forward. Thank you.
Good job in the ring.
2, 1.
I think we're going to get
Beware.
Oof.
Dropping a cooldown right now.
Back, you're up.
I got this one.
It's so hard to see.
2
but that
rings.
shit's
Second from the middle. Fourth from the middle.
Get out with the circle, please.
Both can be done with 1 person. That's fine. Let's go.
Three, two, 1.
Alright, Beef, get ready to move again.
Move toward the skull, close to the edge. We're good here.
Good. Alright, Beef, get out.
I will Devo this.
I'm gonna keep him here. Just Beef, just hurry up and get back as soon as you can, and we're gonna finish him off right here where we're standing.
Ignore the rings. Ignore the ring.
3,
Burn the bus.
2,
Just get some slowed on the ads.
Smuffy, no, go away.
Good
Nice.
job,
So
Woo!
guys,
That's all.
yo,
That's,
ring
uh,
team,
shot.
best team, ring team, best
Let's
team.
go. Let's go with all these fucking one shots.
Alright, hey,
Oh,
that's perfect timing.